world a mountain bound as a hero takes a stand. With a fiery heart and a burning beat, here comes extreme heat. Extreme heat beat. Feel the heat rise, rising up your scream, the fire in his eyes.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to Passion and Pain Reviews. I hope everyone is feeling fantastic and enjoying my content so far. Now I'm here today to bring you a snack review. This snack review comes from none other than Pringles, and it's part of their part of their passport flavors range, and this is the French style steak and frites flavor Pringles. Now I came across these in my local Poundland for £1.25 I think, or £1.50. I've tried the patatas bravas flavours. I've also tried the pizza flavour. So when I saw the steak and frites flavour, I thought I've got to get them, I've got to try them, I've got to give them a review. Very interesting. I love the packaging on these. Steak and frites on the front, and of course, who doesn't like steak and frites, or for the commoners, steak and chips. It's also a limited edition, but also carton, so I don't think these will be around forever, but I'm really looking forward to trying these. Let's go. 165 grams standard package, suitable for vegetarians. Steak. Vegetarians don't eat meat, guys, so why steak flavouring suitable for vegetarians? It makes no sense. Vegetarians don't eat meat, and this is a meat flavoured product. How absolutely bizarre. But hey, you know, if they've worked their way around it, then they've worked their way around it. I'm just going to see if we've got any ingredients in English. Yes, we have. Right, okay. So let's crack these open. Let's see if I get that Pringle moment where I pop and I just can't stop. There's the pop. Smell really nice. Got a nice full tube there as well. Interesting. There we go. Nice little coating on them too. Okay, that is bizarre, because I can actually taste meat in them. I can actually taste the steak, the chips. I can taste that as well. Steak's nice and seasoned. Lovely flavour. It really is packing flavour from the first bite to the very last. Wow. Does it taste like steak and chips? Kind of. It doesn't taste like, you know, you've got a physical steak in front of you and a plate of chips. If I had to pick between the two, I'd choose this plate of steak and chips over the Pringles, because the plate of steak and chips will contain a bit more flavour, but these are pretty damn good. Nice flavour. I do enjoy them. If I was to have steak and chips, I'd choose the actual steak and the chips on a plate rather than a tube of Pringles. Right, we'll have a couple more, and I'm going to go through the ingredients because it's really baffling me. Steak flavour and it being vegetarian. Steak and Frites Flavour savoury snack. Ingredients: dehydrated potatoes, sunflower oil, wheat flour, corn flour, rice flour, steak fries seasoning, fructose, milk, mextroxin, yeast extract, salt, onion powder, flavour enhancers, mextroxin, glutamate, sodium, 5 riboside, ribonclorides, whatever that is, flavourings, acidity, citric acid, lactol, carb powder, herbs, sunflower oils, Bolitus powder, spices, extract, mextroxin, emulsifier, may contain soy, parsley, pepper, colour, paprika, salt, colour, some annatto, and that's it. So there's no mention of meat in there apart from the steak and Frites flavour. So whether that is vegetarian, it's some sort of weird meat substitute flavouring they're using in these, I don't know. But I could taste meat, which is weird because it doesn't contain meat. Baffling, confusing, bizarre, but still a great tasting snack. That I urge you to go to your local Poundland, or you can find these online at other online retailers, amongst all other flavours too. So go check that out. That's been my review of the Pringles passport flavour French style steak and Frites flavour. Definitely worth checking out. I'm going to go and share these with my partner because I'm pretty sure she wouldn't mind tasting these. Well, yeah. Now please remember to give me a big thumbs up saying enjoy the video. Share your friends and family. Smash that red button, turn it grey. You know what to do. Keep on subscribing. The more you subscribe, more amazing product reviews I bring your way, filmed right here in the EHP Passion and Pain Studios. Now please remember to ring that bell, be notified every time I upload a video. For now, I have been Extreme Pete. This has been, we'll wait for it to come back around, Passion and Pain Reviews. Thank you all for tuning in. I hope to see you all again very, very soon. Remember, keep on tuning in because there's new content all the time, and we are closely approaching that 1,000 video upload soon. But for now, EHP is out of here. Bye.